If you have been struggling with dark underarms or smelly underarms and you want a very natural, easy and affordable solution, then you are at the right place. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how you can use your coconut oil and lemon juice to keep your underarms fresh, odorless, light and clean. But before we get right into that video, my name is Shuga, of course, and I am filming from Abuja in Nigeria. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button below if you would like to see more videos like this on this channel. Please also share out this video, leave your comment in the comment section below, like this video, and click on that thanks button that you can see right there. Just a way of saying that you appreciate the information that has been given in this particular video. And without much further ado, of course, my darling, let's head straight into this video. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am sweating. Okay, if you're in Abuja, you know how hot the Abuja sun is. So I think I'm just going to leave this door open a bit. Yes, I think I'm just going to leave it open, okay, you guys, for just, extra air, because my God, this girl is fainting. But we shall not faint. Now, before I go right into sharing these two different methods that you can use to take care of your underarms using the coconut oil and the lemon juice, first of all, why do our underarms smell, our armpit? Okay, now what I want you to know is that naturally the sweat that comes out of your body, this sweat on my body, okay, that's probably in my underarm, is odorless. It does not smell. Yes, the only thing that causes that smell that you get is when this sweat mixes with bacteria or dirt that is on your skin. That is what produces that unpleasant smell that a lot of people, including yourself and myself, do not like and do not appreciate at all. And now things like poor hygiene, poor diet, and even stress can trigger a smelly armpit on your body. So most times it's not necessarily because the person is very dirty. You guys, I had to close it because I feel like the lighting is better like this. Okay, the lighting is better. The only thing I did is I'm not going to jam the door so that a little air can come in, but I think this gives me more light. Yeah, okay. Now, why are we even using the lemon juice or the coconut oil for this hack? What I have here is the hot pressed coconut oil. You can use the cold pressed coconut oil if you so desire. Coconut oil is antibacterial, meaning that it helps to kill odor causing bacteria that is in your underarm. It also helps to moisturize your skin and prevent irritation. While lemon juice is a natural deodorizer and has citric acid, of course, which helps to kill bacteria and lighten dark underarms over time. I like to use yellow lemons, okay, not the very green ones, because I feel like this still has those quantity or measure of citric acid that you need and can be used on your skin or even in your body. You can drink this without it necessarily harming your skin or your body in the long run. It is more gentle on your skin as against when you use the green colored ones. Now, the first method of how you can use your coconut oil or lemon juice to help keep your armpits smelling fresh, clean, and odorless is to use a coconut oil first of all. And we're just going to be using the coconut oil. I'm almost out of my coconut oil because I use it for a lot of things: my hair, my skin, my face. Okay, you guys. So what you want to take is a bit of coconut oil, not too much. Okay, you guys. Is take a bit of coconut oil. You want to rub this in your palm to warm it up. Okay, now this particular hack you can actually do it even after taking your shower, and you must have cleaned your armpit. Of course, I've cleaned, obviously, aside from the sweat. Yeah, you can do this after taking your shower, before you step out, before you even use your lotion. Warm it up. When the coconut oil is heated in your palms, okay, you can now use it and apply it on your underarms or in your underarms, okay, whichever is the right thing you should use. People should not stress me. I'm already showing you this enough. It's enough stress already. Okay, apply it, massage it into your underarms. Okay, both underarms. Apply it in your underarms. Okay, and stroke it downwards, please. Whenever you apply something, most of the times on your body, apart from your face, maybe always use a downward stroke. Even if you're going like this, take it down. If you're coming like this, take it down. Never go up like this. Make sure to always bring it down. I mean, I don't particularly understand the psychology behind it right now, but you guys, that's just the way. Okay, do it downwards. After massaging and applying this in your underarms, you want to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse off with warm water. That is all you need, my darling. If you want extra freshness, you can add, essential oils like lavender oil or tea tree oil. to this mixture, warm it in your hands and apply. This, my darlings, will keep your arm smelling fresh, clean, even without using a deodorant. Yeah, so if you cannot afford deodorants, because I mean deodorants are very expensive right now, okay, to most of the average people, right? I mean the most affordable deodorant that is good, okay, or antiperspirant is about 3,000 naira. Okay, that is over $1 to $2, okay, in some cases, and to some $4. So this is a very good alternative that helps to take care of this, and will also help to treat any smelly underarm that you might have had in the past, especially if you're somebody who has a history of always having smelly dark underarms. You guys, I'm sweating, okay, but we're going to go straight into the second method, and that is now using the lemon juice with the coconut oil. For this second method, of course, you need a bowl, something to put your mixture together in. I have a spoon here, and then of course you need your coconut oil. So I'm just doing very little for the purpose of this video, so I'm just going to use this tad bit little amount. Yeah, and then I'm just going to be slicing our lemon into two halves. I think one half is enough. You can try this particular DIY 2 to 3 times every week, especially if you are treating underarms. But if you're using it just for the purpose of, a natural deodorant and moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, then you can do this just twice a week. So we're going to put that. Oh, there's some seeds there. So we're just going to squeeze out the juice. I think this is enough juice, honestly, for this tutorial. I'm going to drink this. Yeah. So this is our coconut oil and lemon juice mixture. You want to give this a good mix, a good stir. I mean, it doesn't take much for them to mix together. Give this a good mix and a good stir, and it is ready to be applied in your underarm. So now that our mixture is ready, what you want to do is to just take a bit of it for the purpose of this video. I'm going to keep this here. And of course, you don't need to do too much rubbing or anything. Just take this combo, apply it to your underarms. Okay, you guys, see, you just applying this thing or doing it over. It feels so good. Like, I feel so good, and it feels so therapeutic as well. So if you're looking for something therapeutic to add to your self-care routine at home, my darlings, give this a try. Make sure you get every nooks and crevices. Yeah. Is it psychology? I mean, I feel like I just feel this place looking a bit cleaned out. Of course, another thing I want to point out is that it is important that you shave your underarms. At this age and time, if you are still not shaving your underarms, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, keep your underarms shaved and clean, because having hairs there actually also accommodates those bacteria. And there's a tendency that you will smell. There's a 70% more probability that you will have smelly underarms, or you have body odor throughout the day if you have hairs in your underarm. Now, we're also going to leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes, after which you can rinse off with warm water and then go about your day, your activity, like nothing happened. Okay, like bang dang dang. Okay, you guys, I already said that you can do this particular DIY with the coconut oil and lemon juice combo 2 to 3 times every week. Okay, I mean, especially if you're treating smelly underarms. After that, you can do it once a month or once in every 2 months. When you're taking your bath, pay attention to your underarms. Scrub your underarms properly, exfoliate if possible. Wear breathable fabrics, especially in this season. Right now, it is very hot in Abuja and in most parts of Nigeria. So you want to wear fabrics that allow air to, penetrate your outfit and get to that area. You don't want that area to be too moist or wet all the time, because leaving it damp or moist every time is going to leave you prone to having smelly underarms. And very importantly, drink a lot of water, okay, to help your body flush out toxins naturally by themselves. And most importantly, pay attention to what you eat. So if you want a healthier body, eat a healthier meal. Look for ways to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your everyday eating habits. And that, of course, my darlings, is how you use lemon juice and coconut oil to take care of every bad odor, every smelly armpit, every dark armpit that you might have or anyone around you might have. Please try out this hack and come back to the comment section here in this video to let me know if it worked for you. Okay, don't forget to like these videos, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Also share out this video to other people on your social media, like your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram. All you need to do is to click on that share button and choose the logo or icon of any of the social media platforms that you want to share this video to, and straight up it is shared immediately. Also, most importantly, if you have found this information in this video valuable and you appreciate the effort being put into filming this video, because I mean, I'm sweating because I want to create content for you people, please click on the thanks button below and just show some love, okay, you guys. And of course, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.